Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be building a quiet mechanical keyboard for coding. Now the parts I'm going to be using today is the KeyMonkey KMB68, which only goes for like $34. It is a wireless only Bluetooth and 2.4 Hz keyboard that is hot swappable. Comes with plate mounted stabilizers, a silicone dampener, and some foam inside the case. Overall, this is a very good budget keyboard that I definitely recommend people check out if you want to put the time and effort into. The reason why I say that is because the stabilizers it comes with are absolutely horrible, and the foam it comes with is super thin, so I definitely recommend tape modding or just swapping out the foam entirely. But the silicone dampener used is very nice. Now the switches I'm going to be using for this build were sent to me by Gazoo, and that is the Boba U4 silent tactile switches. Now I'm not even kidding when I say this, I think these are the best silent switches on the market at the moment. And like always, please buy these switches from official Gazoo retailers that he supports. And they might be sold out because these switches do sell out really quickly, but I'll still be leaving the link in the description below for you to buy them. Finally, the keycaps I'll be using are the Akko blue on white keycaps. Now these were sent to me by Akko themselves, and I made a review video on them in the past, and I felt like they'd go perfect because the KeyMonkey KMB68 is white, and that little blue accent would look really good on this keyboard. So with that all said and done, let's just get to the build process. The thing that took me the longest was the stabilizers, because like I said, they're really bad. So all my stabilizer wires came pre-warped, and they did rattle, and they did have a lot of wiggle room inside the case and plate. So I band-aided the plate, and what that does is basically make it towards where they're stabilized inside the plate and don't wiggle around, because they're a snug and tight fit in there. The next thing I did was obviously lube and tune the stabilizers, which took me a very long time. The spacebar stabilizer had to be wholly modded just for it to even sound good. The other stabilizers I was just good with just the typical dielectric grease on the wire and 205G0 on the stabilizer housings. I still had some ticking, and you might be able to hear it in the sound test, but at the end of the day I think I got it as best as I could. Now the Boba U4s are a silent tactile switch in the 62 gram variant. There's one with a pearl top housing or an acrylic clear top housing. I went for the acrylic clear. I kind of forgot that this keyboard does not have RGB. I thought it did, so that's the reason why I went for the clear. It doesn't really matter too much. They still feel the same. Once all the switches were in, I put on top the keycaps, and I have this finished silent build that I'm very happy with. Here is a quick sound test. Overall, I think this keyboard serves its purpose. It sounds very quiet while feeling very nice, and I think I did the best I could with these stabilizers. Everything I used in this keyboard video will be down in the description below if you do plan on buying and following along. But yeah, let me know what you guys think about this keyboard build in the comments down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.